Hello guys, again Shiza from Seal UK Limited. I want to show you today about the Pyronix ZIM expander. 8 zone I use 1 and 2, and I use for this expander I use address as leave it default, which not been on, leave it as 0. So I'll make this one address as a 0. Second expander I use on the pin address. If you see here, I on the pin, I make this as a 1, so this is 0 and this is 1. I make 0, don't on the pins, leave it off all pins, and it's 0. Second, you have to on pin on address 1, then this is 1. Okay, this is the connections coming from the panel, and you can see here RS 485 bus. Okay, the one cable going on the keypad, and second cable going on the expander. I'll bring here, then after from loop to going second expander. Okay, so that is the connection for the expander. This side is for the sensors, like 8 inputs. You can see here, and this side all is connection for the also sensors. So 8 zone we can use here. Okay, and this is auxiliary power we can use also. Okay, the same thing this side. Okay, so I use this one zone, like 8 zone is here, then this is zone 9 to like up to like so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, so 16 zone this side, then after 8 zone more, so 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 zone you can use here. Yeah? All is wired zone, and you can use as a wireless expander as well. If you have wireless sensors, you can put one more wireless expander. Okay, so this sensor I use for zone 9. I use for the motion sensor, which is ceiling sensor. I use 90-degree dual tech. So let me start. I show you the demonstration how programming the sensor on the expander. So let me start. So because light is on, because I open the cover already here, that's why. So let me close the cover. So not reset. Press C. Okay, panel reset, because all cover is open expander. That's why its temper is on. Not close. Indication close. Okay, now go to engineering mode. Show the programming. So go to zone 9. Yes, unuse with the sensors. I use on the expander. I show you. So zone 9 I use. So I'm out to make it this one as a one exit. Yes. If you want chime, like you can on off, but I don't want. So leave it like this. Okay. That's where we make expanded programming on the, if we have like zone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, all zone you wire up. After you come back here on the keypad, then go to change inputs, then go to like if you have number 10, after yes, at the moment after this programming give carry on the same thing, like all like I show you zone 9, all same programming, okay, basic thing, okay. And please subscribe my video and share video to other your friends so they can benefit. If any question, please let me know. Thank you very much. Bye.